Divi, and we're going to go, and in here you'll see you've got a few things here. You've got your global contact form and you've got your newsletter. What we're going to do is we're going to import your new file. So we go to import and we can, and in here we're just going to select the landing page that you've downloaded. So it might be a bundle, it might be 1, 2 or 3. So right now I'm just going to go with number 3 just to say I've only downloaded 1. So I'm going to open that here and import Divi Builder layouts. So that's that. Now once you see the green tick, you can press the X here and it's just doing a refresh. There we go, our landing page is here. So what you want to do now is you want to go to your pages and add a new one. So in here, what you're going to do is you're going to add your page title. So I'm just going to title this Coming Soon, and I want to publish it. I'm just going to go yes, publish that, because we're just going to get that sorted right now. So now that that's published, I'm going to view my page and it should look very, very boring. Here we go. So this is what our page looks like. So we're going to enable the visual builder. Okay, so what we're going to do now, we're going to go to choose pre-made layout, browse our layouts, and your saved layouts. Now what we're going to do here, landing page 3, that's the one you just imported, click on that and it's going to import that page for you. There we go. So what you'll notice is you still have the menu and the footer here. So don't worry, we're just going to hit save. We're going to exit our visual builder, go to your edit page, and in here where it says page attributes, we're going to go template blank page and update. So there we go, that's saving. I'm going to refresh this one and we should just have our landing page template. There we go. So you'll notice this isn't the fonts and the colors that are on your existing page. No problem. We go into your visual builder. So I want to change the background just so it's got an image that matches the rest of our website. So I click on this blue cog here, background, and then I can click on the picture and swap it out for any that are in our media library, or you can upload your own one there. So the one I want here, let's go for, let me see, this one. Yes, let's go for this one. So I just press upload and then push the green tick once I'm done. So there we go, it's in the background. So you'll notice our fonts aren't the same. So I want to go here, press the cog on it. I'm going to move that over just so I can see. Go to design, and what you can do is you can hover over and just click on this just so it's set. So if you've already got your header set, what you can do is just press this undo button here and it will automatically change it to the ones that you have currently on your website set as your headers. You can also go down and do this with your font as well, your font coloring as well. So if I go here and undo, it will just change it to my standard font color. Or you can choose ones from the palette you've already got added to your site. So I'm going to do this, and I'm going to do this for this as well. So what I want to do is go to my background and I can set it for just a color we have. So for example, I want this mint color, and then I can go to the titles, set it to default, and then I want it dark just because the mint is quite light. I can also set the numbers. So again, just click on the number there, set that to default, change the colors on it. The label, again, that's already at default, numbers on it. And there are colons in the middle here, which you can't really get to. So that is, now where are these? Just in text, I think. There we go. Set that to dark. Also, what you can do here, if you go into it, the first thing you'll see is you can change the countdown timer to say what you want, and you can set the date. So I've got this set for quite a date for August 2020. Say you want to launch October 1st, 2019. Click it, it will automatically change the day You can change the time, so say 7:30 in the morning or 7 p.m. in the morning, it will automatically just correct itself there. Here again, you can just change the text, so into design and undo the text font, undo the text color. We go in your social media icons, go to the settings of them, and you can add or remove whatever ones you want. Go to the add button and you can add from whatever network you want that is on here. But right now, I'm going to go change my Facebook. So you click on your cog here. You can change your network if you want, but I'm going to change just the account link. You can add whatever you like in there. I'm just going to keep it as a hashtag just because there's nothing I really want to add right now. And you can change the color of it. So feel free to change it to whatever color you want that will just match your branding. So there we go, and just go through all of them and do it that way. So there you go, that is how you customize your template to match the rest of your website. So now, if I save this, what we can do now is that's saved. So I just want to go and just show you the homepage just so we can see exactly how it all matches up. There we go. And if you want to set that as your homepage, what you're going to need to do is go here to Theme Customizer, and then you go to Homepage Settings, and you can change your homepage. So right now I'm going to change it from Coming Soon, Home to Coming Soon. There you go. See, it's changed over your homepage. So you hit Publish, then you come out of this, and then if you'll see this is just your Coming Soon page just directly on your domain that you've launched it on. No one can see any menus, any footers, anything. So they will just see this when they come to your website, and when it's time to change it over, just go back into your theme customizer and set your homepage as your homepage.